What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about two ginormous drops that are happening in the next week. I personally do believe that these will be massive, so make sure you watch the full video to understand why. If that sounds like something you're interested in and you like the CNFT space, or you'd like to learn more about the CNFT space, I recommend you subscribing to my channel, and I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button as it helps my channel grow. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter, which will be in my description, to keep up with regular updates and discussions. If you want to support me that extra little bit more, make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Versions, with a Twitter ticker @NerdsCNFT. We have our Christmas drop around the corner, so stay tuned for that. So the first project I'd like to talk about today is APE, which is an NFT based racehorse management game, and their Pioneer collection is going on sale on the 18th of December. And if you've been following my channel closely, I covered these guys 2 months ago, and I pretty much said that this could be one of the biggest CNFT drops ever, and I still stand by this. Due to the quality of these NFTs, as well as the utility, really gives these in-game NFTs huge value. And of course, I'm not the only one who's seen this, and they've gained quite a large following already, and it's one of the largest followings you can see in the CNFT space, and this is of course before mint, so expect this number to increase. This is a massive drop. Users can race, breed and trade their horses, and they'll be having their Pioneer collection on December 18th for 250 ADA, which is quite expensive, but this includes a horse NFT, a jockey NFT, and a skin NFT. So one thing you get is a racehorse, and each equine horse is born with unique stats and features. And just like real horses, they do not live forever. They grow, they become stronger, and they have their days of success and stardom, but they'll also age and retire. And with these, of course, you can breed and keep winning races and keep doing well in the game. And of course, with the horse, you get a jockey, and each jockey will be paired with horses, and each jockey, like the horses, has specific characteristics that can impact your horse's performance. So you need to pair your horse with the right jockey. And as I was saying with the horses, you can breed them, and with this you can utilize genetic principles and to make your own staples breeding program, where you can create genetically superior offspring or discover and maintain bloodlines of rare colorways. So clearly this is well thought through, and the effort in this has been amazing, and the delivery so far has been awesome too. And I really do expect this project to absolutely shine and be one of the biggest NFTs on Cardano. What also makes me even more confident about this isn't a new concept, and it's a proven concept that is known to be successful with projects like D-Race, which has a pretty similar product description, and as well as Z-Run. So yes, APE isn't the first horse racing game, but it's the first horse racing game on Cardano, which is a huge competitor to Ethereum, and I can see this just really shining. And as I said before, with the jockey and with the horse, you get a skin. Makes your horse and jockey even more unique and standing out, and this could be a big thing if this game is popular. You hear about Fortnite skins and a lot of other skins from those games being really popular and really valuable. And I mean, if you're playing this game and you're doing it all legit, why wouldn't you want to have one of these skins and make your NFT stand out? So yes, that 250 ADA is quite a lot of money for some people, but I honestly think this is fairly priced, especially given the quality and the amount of money that will go into this game. Utility won't happen straight away. This is their original Pioneer collection, so I don't know. Without utility, it's just price speculation, but I do think this will do well, and even if it doesn't short term, I can see it doing well long term. So I definitely be minting these, and a cool thing about this is you can mint as many bundles as you want in the 24 hours of sale. I'll leave this video in the description. This is a little bit old, but it covers all the nuts and bolts, and it covers everything that I haven't covered here. Shows a promo video and it shows everything. So be sure to watch this to familiarize yourself with APE NFT. And also, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I never have been, and I never will be. So the second project that I think that will do extremely well is DJing Crypto Club's 3D gens. So this is from the DJing Crypto Club collection, but instead of being 2D images like their original set, now they are 3D. And as you can see on the screen, these look absolutely amazing, and I can really see these doing well. The pre-sale is on the 18th of December at 6 PM UTC, and the public sale is on the 19th of December at 6 PM UTC. So pretty fucking packed weekend, and loads of ADA being spent for Papa. So as well as looking good, 3D DGens will have future rigging and staking utility, and there is only 5,000 of these, and what's crazy is there's 3 per transaction on the public sale, so I can tell you what, these will go shockingly fast. Especially because they have 1,132 wallet holders currently already. And when I tried to mint them originally, it sold out very fast, of course, before Yoroi could get its shit together. So do not come in here and expect that you're going to pull something. This will be quick, but of course you can still buy off the secondary, which I think will do well considering the floor 185 ADA for the current original DJ Crypto Club NFTs. But of course, whether that matters to you or not, I cannot accurately predict that. What I can confirm with you though, that the art is fantastic, the team is fantastic, and the community is very good as well. I've seen them all over Twitter, and the DJ Crypto Club community just kind of seems to be everywhere, which is always a good sign. So I really do see this collection doing well. No, I do not currently hold a DJ Crypto Club NFT, but I'll be trying to get my hands on one of these 3D ones at minting, and we'll see how it goes. I definitely am big on this project. I can definitely see it doing well. So if you want to find out about DJ Crypto Club's next drop and a Queen NFT's first drop, I'll leave all the valid links in the description for you, so you can check it out for yourself. But this is what I'll be doing on this weekend. Spending uncopious amounts of ADA on a couple horses, jockey and skins, and a couple 3D characters. That's living life to me. So I'll be trying to mint these, but let me know, what do you think about DJ Crypto Club and a Queen NFT? Will you be minting these? And if not, tell me why. And if you are, tell me why as well. I love to engage with you all, so just let me know. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope you found it valuable. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell to not miss a single CNFT video. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerdist Versions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.